Can you believe that another season has passed? I am just like, this year already has just flown by, but spring is upon us, so I thought that it would be a great time to reflect upon my winter favorites. If you happen to be new to my channel, welcome. I'm a freelance makeup artist and licensed esthetician based out of Los Angeles, obsessed with simplifying beauty, making it quick and easy, and sharing all of my favorite product loves with you. So if you enjoyed this video and want to see more just like this one, definitely consider subscribing. Alright guys, let's get into it. The first product I want to talk to y'all about is from Almay. It is their Velvet Foil Cream Shadow in the color 30 Golden Vibes, and I'm specifically obsessed with just this color. It was interesting because I was walking past Almay and I was like, man, I feel like they haven't really come out with anything new. I haven't heard from them a lot. And then these Velvet Cream Shadows popped out and I was like, gotta swatch that. So I swatched them all, and this was by far my favorite one. It has such just a beautiful, rich golden tone to it, and it has a great wear. I actually have it on my eyelids right now. I love that there's not a lot of like extra just chunky, unnecessary glitter, but it's just beautiful the way that it wears. You can put a little bit of an eyeshadow on top of it, but it just adds just the right light amount of highlight to my eye that I prefer. Alright, next we're going to go into this liner that I've been using and loving. I kind of go through stages when I wear wing eyeliner like every day and then I won't touch it for a couple months, and this season was definitely my winged eyeliner season. And the one that I was using is from a brand called Mia Adora, and it's called Call Me Unshakable. It's a high pigment waterproof liquid eyeliner, and guys, this eyeliner is awesome. You can actually get it off of Amazon. It has such a great little tip to it, and I actually find that it's great to go in this inner corner. Sometimes liquid eyeliners will be too thick and you can't really get like a nice thin line right in this inner corner, but this guy does it all for me. It actually has such a strong pigment to it that wears all day, and it doesn't fade. Sometimes you'll find with liquid liners that they'll fade throughout the day, they won't stay true to their pigment, and I absolutely had no issues with this. It's a great find. I actually am going to be coming out with a video very soon showing you a couple different ways to use liquid eyeliner so you don't always have to be stuck doing just a classic wing. So definitely stay tuned for that video. Next is another eyeliner that I've been loving. This is my eyeliner for when I'm in a rush. This is from Mineral Fusion, and it's in Rough. I actually have it on today. It's just a very soft brown that's easily blendable. So when I'm flying out the door and I still want just a little bit of definition, I'll use this pencil and just put it on both top and bottom, a little bit of mascara, and I'm out the door. Let's pop into skincare. So actually a couple months ago I signed up for Sephora Play, which is like a subscription box. I had done subscription boxes long ago when I was first getting into makeup, and I decided to kind of go back to them because I feel like ever since I left the retail industry, I'm a little bit behind on product launches and new products and getting to play with them. So I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep my subscription. I'll be getting my 4th box in March, but I feel like some of the boxes are a lot better than others, but it has given me an opportunity to play with products that I wouldn't ordinarily play with. So that's been one good thing that's come out of it. One product that when I originally saw it, I completely rolled my eyes. I have this thing, I'm a little bit biased, but anytime a makeup brand tries to go into skincare, I am very, very skeptical of it. Am I the only one? Let me know if this is you in the comment section. So when they sent me a sample of Makeup Forever's Ultra HD Skin Booster, it's a serum, it's a Hydro Plum serum, I was like, yeah, okay. But even though I don't agree with the ingredients and I think that there are really great skincare options out there, when I was sick this season, unfortunately I got the winter cold, which sucked. I had to go to work a few days after I got the cold, and my nose was dry and crackly. Crackled? I don't know. It was not, like, makeup was not going to sit on it and it was not gonna look good. And so I was like, well, whatever. I got the sample, I'm just gonna try it, and it actually worked. It's kind of like bittersweet because skincare is still my holy grail. I will say this would not replace any skincare product of mine, but I actually was surprised with the way that it plumped up and hydrated my skin and allowed the makeup to go on top of it really smoothly. The next product is from Caudalie. It is their Vino Perfect Radiant Serum Complexion Correcting. It's for all skin types. I use it underneath my moisturizer and I've been using it for a couple weeks and I actually can tell the difference. My skin looks more luminous It doesn't have any reflecting qualities to it. Sometimes you'll get like a radiant serum and it'll like have gold flecks. This has no gold flecks, which I'm really grateful for. I prefer for makeup to stay in makeup and skincare to be in skincare, but it is really a beautiful serum. A couple other products that I did want to mention. This is from e.l.f. and guys, this is amazing. If you have really dry lips that tend to flake a lot, this is absolutely incredible and you should definitely give it a go. I think it's $3. You can get it from Target. Coconut is the best flavor. I went ahead and purchased quite a few different ones because I was going to film a video kind of comparing them, and coconut by far is the best. The other ones, I don't know what went wrong with the formula, but coconut's amazing and it's such a great lip scrub. I absolutely love that it's in a stick form. So you just pop it up, you rub it around your lips, and then you add a little bit of water just to remove it. I think I used it in my Mary Poppins video, but I can't recommend it enough. This is really great, especially for those dry winter lips. The next product that has been saving my butt this winter, guys, I don't know about you, but this winter was brutal. Like my skin, like I could not stay hydrated at all. I'm actually gonna do a whole separate video on this line because I found it this season and I'm absolutely, I mean, just in love with it. This is Weleda, and they recently relaunched their moisturizer, Skin Food. They added a light version. Basically, the way that they describe it is Skin Food, the original version, is oil and water, and Skin Food Light is water and oil. So you're still gonna get the same hydrating feel, but this is in a more lightweight formula. So it's great for all over the body, including the face. And it's one of those moisturizers that before you go to bed, if you put it all over your body, when you wake up the next morning, you will still feel that hydration. So it's absolutely amazing. And I've been using this for my hands, I've been using it for my face as kind of just like that extra coat of hydration. And the last product is a heated lash curler. I've never been a huge fan of curling my eyelashes because, well, it's a long story. I talk about it in my no makeup video if you want to see, but long story short, my sister accidentally clamped my eyelid and when I was really young, and so I'm scarred. So this guy has been amazing because it is a heated lash curler and you don't have to clamp down on anyone's eyelashes. So it's also great, like if you wear tabs or fake lashes, this is really amazing because you can kind of just give them a little lift like halfway throughout the day and not worry about removing the glue or the band when they're on the lashes. Because sometimes if you put on a bunch of tabs and then you use the lash curler to kind of curl everything, you run the risk of having them pop off, but this kind of eliminates that. You use it after mascara, which I think is also really cool, and it's super easy. It just is battery powered. You just turn it on and you hold it up and you just hold it in 3 different places and it works really well. Let me know in the comment section below what products you fell in love with this season. As always, there are more tips and tricks on Facebook and Instagram at Makeup by Jana Marie. Thank goodness winter is over. I hate the cold weather. I know, and even in LA it was cold, but it was not nearly as cold as the rest of the world and it was still too cold for me. So I'm happy that spring is coming. I'm ready for warm weather and just for winter to be gone very far away. I hope you guys are having a great week and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.